Guys, hello everyone. This is my pamangkin, and that one too. What's your
Once
name?
again, requesting available merchandiser, please proceed to counter 7.
And we are going on a run, guys. Excuse bar. Gab, tatakbo kami. 1, 2. Okay, I'm having a bonding with them.
Requesting for fresh
Ano ba yan? Ang
merchandiser to
ingay naman
collect
ng
push cart and basket, please.
customer
Once
service.
again, available fresh merchandiser to collect push cart and basket.
No. Baka mamaya madisgrasya kayo. Okay. Come here to my vlog. Look at my vlog camera. I know! You're so silly talaga, ha? I'm so silly talaga. I'm gonna put my camera to your face and your teeth. Because your teeth is so bulok. Ew! Yucky. No, there's a vampire here, guys. Huh? Ano? Pang? Grabe naman tong ano na to, vampire na to. Tara. Ganda ba ikaw, girl?
Opo.
Nagulat ako. Kay cabinet side to, Kuya Gavin. Tara. Ah! Nakita ko. Let's find him. Kuya Gavin is so silly, no?
7. To 3 Asia merchandiser to counter 7, please.
Huh? No, not that one. So small. So pangit.
Ako tulak kay Bal.
Para bibidyoan ko kayo. Magbibidyo tayo. Dahan-dahan. Hi, guys. Let's take a picture. 1, 2. Okay. What do you want? Uy, I'm gonna buy this. 1, 2, and 3. Ay! I'm gonna put it here. No, it's only 17.
Hindi, ito po mga ano ko.
Barbie is so pretty. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Tama na. Sa Pansin Canton daw. Be careful, Gavin. Okay na ako. Wala pang 100 yung binili ko.
Let's try this one. If you finish this one, let's gonna buy like that. Bili lang ako laki-laki na silin, 300.
Tapos,